Hi, Cher.
Hey, Steve. What are you doing? Want to come out?
Nah.
What? Come to third class. Everyone's going to be there.
Nah, everyone? Like who?
You know, like Generic, Herbie, and Tyson, and yeah.
Isn't Generic and Tyson the same person? Okay, who's playing?
Peppermint Crust, Pepperoni, Mr. Oizo. It'll be sick.
Macaroni? Sarah? Hello? Sarah?
Oh, sorry. I got distracted. Tyson just messaged me on MySpace. He said okay. What does that mean? I mean, is that a good okay or a bad okay? I don't understand. Want to come out?
Nah, no, I'm broke.
So am I. Come on, Liv's driving. I bought you goon. You can wear any of my clothes.
Nah.
It's free entry.
Free entry?
Alright, cool. I'm coming. She's a nasty girl with a bad habit. A bad habit. You fucking know.
Stop. Nothing.
Goon.
Not even ready yet. Kaz over there.
Kaz is here. Oh, hey Kaz. Hey.
Hiya.
Good.
You
Look
good?
good. Oh, thanks.
These new? Yeah, I got them today. $300.
Oh. Hey, what is that?
Shit. Can you put it back in my hair?
Where?
It fell out. Back where the patch is. Where's the patch?
Got it.
It's kind of gross.
And you left me in my car last week. Oh my god.
Did I?
You left it on the seat. It was gross.
Oh, well, they keep falling out. What am I supposed to do? I spent so much money today.
What'd you buy?
Bought hair extensions, new Bettina Liano leggings.
How much were they?
They were they're on special. They were $250 to $245.
Bargain.
Yeah, well, they're Bettina Liano. Like, they're pretty good.
Yeah. So free entry tonight?
Yeah, we've got. Oh, yeah. You're on Tyson's list and you're on Herbie's list.
Herb.
Liv's driving. I've got Goon. Like, it's gonna be it'll be free. It'll be cheap night.
Cheap night?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay, but if
I'm broke.
we do, yeah, well, I actually need to borrow money if possible, because
Again.
well, I had money, but my mum drove off with my wallet in the car.
How convenient. LOL.
That happened last week. Oh, but I'll just add it to last week because you're over from third class, the time before that, the time before that.
Yeah, well,
I've
I'm
got
gonna
like a third class tab going.
I'm gonna pay you. It's not like I'm not gonna pay you.
Yeah.
I do have money that's left in the car.
I guess you wouldn't have any money. Alright, let's leave.
Okay, let's go then.
It's Britney, bitch.